Rakshit to start the session.
We are going to start. I think most of you have the MATLAB access there. So as Dr. Arun Patil has such a video, we'll give you 2 days of engagement, today afternoon as well as tomorrow afternoon as well as currently there will be 2 days of session. So to start. Start the application because the core application that this session is focusing on integrating AI with EV. So the starting point is to focus on how to start modeling EV applications. Can we do modeling of EV applications? We can do. So how to start modeling EV application? What are aspects that we can do? That is what I thought would be good to start, so that we can model the systems that we want to build, whatever subsystems within the EV that we want to build, we should be able to do that. So that we can integrate AI applications. Whether we want to go for standard modeling or data-based modeling, if we use our AI applications, we are ready to do that. Right? So this is what we are focusing on this. So 2 days session. So to start, so why this is becoming popular? It started from way back in 2010 onwards. So we had EV applications coming onto the roads. One of the core technical industry which revolutionized modeling EV applications is Tesla. So nowadays we can say there are policymakers of Tesla also, but one of the engineers which started, so what we can say, improvising the EV core systems was Tesla. They were able to do that. So how we were able to help them? So our methods commercial team were on the background. They were able to help the engineering team and staff to customize the component, because they had every requisite components already done, modeled by the engineering team. Now they wanted to focus on being the top team who can increase the overall efficiency, the range of the engineering. So we were able to help them customize their own subsystems, starting from creating their own motor models, creating their own customized inverted models, how they can customize battery pack model. So these were some of the aspects we were able to help them, and we were also able to help them to tweak the parameters. So this is also very, very important for increasing the efficiency. They had multiple data sheet record available with them. So we were able to help them to tweak the parameters as per the requirement, and they were able to successfully implement our applications in our So this is the overall, you can say, one snapshot where you can say complete in this subsystem is available. So you can see. So the drive cycle is available to us. So we are using a longitudinal driver model which can basically simulate the mechanism of the driver, and then we are using a controller which will control the mechanism or provide the right control inputs to the vehicle. So which we have modeled as passenger car. Passenger car is basically nothing but a vehicle body that we have to basically implement in our application. So this is the kind of application that we have done implement. This is one example, but we will be able to show you later that you can build your own architecture like this. However, you can create your own EV very easily. So it doesn't take too much. So this is what we are. But when you see overall in terms of practical sense, so multiple engineering teams in modeling component. So one of the how we can do system modeling and simulation. So one of the most important component of the system modeling and simulation is our motor component. So we model the motors, then we model the inverters. So then we model the battery pack algorithm implementation, because one of the critical technologies that we are currently writing in most of the industry is medium kind technology. So which is meeting the requirement of modeling battery management algorithms to efficiently use the battery. So that's also something we have to focus on. We are focusing on battery capacity. Then we also focus on the mechanical aspects as well, where we have to model the vehicle bodies and the mechanisms, like we can integrate all these so that we can realize the EV. And then you can also now move towards the grid applications as well. So you can go to the grid integration, where you can focus on building the grid, and then you can connect the charging stations, so that you can even focus